Gentlemen, shut up already. Our first candidate is the famous penguin. Here, 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 on my left.
If I am elected, I...
Shut up already. And on my right is our second candidate, the Joker. The Joker. Boo!
Hiss! Ha-ha! Sorry I'm late, fellas.
The penguin!
Shut up already.
I've got a little
Dick.
in my throat.
Dick, bowling is a game of concentration. And I can't concentrate with all your... Dick.
Sorry. No more.
Dick.
I promise. Except for a pounding.
Dick.
An aching.
Dick.
And some loose.
Dick.
I feel fine.
The penguin is back, and he's got something up his sleeve. Watch this. Wait, it gets better.
The two of us had better handle it alone.
You mean the three of us, don't you, Batman?
No.
You're a little fool, Batmite, just like your caped friends.
It's finally happened, Robin. I've gone batty.
No, you haven't. Somehow that crime slime has switched their personalities.
Crime slime?
Crime slime.
Crime slime?
Crime slime. The stuff that came out of Penguin's...
Dick.
Just now.
All right, Batman and Robin, say goodbye to your goody-goody, 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 Mr. Nice Guy images. You feel any different, fellows?
I feel kind of funny.
We shouldn't have did this, man.
Ripping off this meteorite's going to be a piece of cake.
Penguin, you bird brain! You've been tricked! Correction! You've been tricked!